Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make spinach rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan and saute some cashew nuts. When it turns golden brown, take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, roast 1½ teaspoons of gram dal, half a teaspoon of urad dal, 1½ teaspoons of coriander seeds, and 3 red chilies. Roast this over medium flame until the dal turns light brown. Now allow it to cool, grind and keep it aside. Heat 1½ tablespoons of oil in the pan and splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of gram dal and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. When the dal turns light brown, add 1½ tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Saute this for some time and add 1 pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 thinly sliced onion and a little salt. When it turns transparent, add 2½ cups of washed and chopped spinach or greens. Cook this over medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of the masala powder and a little salt. Saute this for some time and add 3 cups of cooked rice and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix well so that the rice is well coated with the masala. Now add the roasted cashew nuts, mix well and turn off the flame. Spinach rice is ready to serve. This will go nice with raita or papad. Please do try and post your